Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about just the general stock market. We are going to be doing another stock market news video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe. So roll the intro, let's go, come on. So starting off with the first thing that I want to talk about. Right now we are on the edge of a crash, right? Right now the general market has sold off more than 18%. And to classify it as a crash or a recession is when the market falls more than 20%. So 20% is that sweet number, right? Right now we're at 18%, so there's 2%. If the market falls tomorrow 2%, we are classified in a recession or in a crash. And a lot of people love to freak out and say, oh my gosh, sell everything, sell everything. Personally, I think that that is the absolute worst advice you could possibly have. And the reason why that is because why would you want to sell when the market's low? Why wouldn't you want to buy when the market's low and sell when the market's high? Buy low, sell high. Given that the market has sold off almost 20%, for me, I look at it as, okay, the market sold off 20%. Right now, the stocks that I were buying at full price are now 20%, 30% off. So let's buy as much as I can. And yes, guys, we could be going through, a year or 2 years of volatility. But as long as you have a long-term outlook, you will be fine. And the reason why I love to say that is because over the past 90 years, through all the ups and downs in the market, as long as you have a long-term outlook, this short-term volatility of a year, 2, 3, 4 years is gonna pass. It's gonna pass and we're gonna see growth. The S&P 500 has an annual return rate of 9.8%. So that is over the past 90 years through all the ups, downs, Great Depressions, recessions, bull and bear markets, it's had that return. So as long as you have that long-term outlook, you will be okay. Okay, the second thing that I want to go ahead and talk about is we could be getting a little better gas prices. Right now, the government just passed a bill pretty much on price gouging. So pretty much what that means is when oil and gas companies raise the price for no reason, because there is a news or people freaking out, causing those gas prices to go up when they don't necessarily need to. Okay, they just passed a bill, so we should see that starting to affect and hopefully get some of those gas prices down. For me, gas has almost times 3, so I definitely think that's crazy, and I would love to see this in effect. Right now we're almost paying $5 per gallon of gas, which is ridiculous. So that sucks. All right, the third thing that I want to talk about is retail. Retail stores have been absolutely hammered. We saw yesterday, we saw Walmart get hammered. We saw Target get absolutely obliterated, and a ton of analysts kind of came out and they downgraded all these stocks, which I understand where they're coming from. They had a missed earnings, missed revenue, which happens, right? Companies go through hard times just like any company does. There's no perfect company that just gets profit after profit after profit. Even the powerhouse Apple had several 20%, 30% crashes throughout its lifetime. So for me, it all depends on you guys, but I look at it as, okay, maybe I should kind of dabble in, keep it under 2% of my portfolio size, don't go heavy, but maybe pick up a couple of shares. Have a long-term outlook. Target's not going anywhere, Walmart's not going anywhere, Lowe's isn't going anywhere, and Home Depot sure isn't going anywhere. They're some of the largest retailers in the United States. So I definitely think that is something you guys should know, is there is some opportunity there for the long and short side. But guys, that's kind of the top 3 things going on with the market. I really enjoy making these videos, and if you guys enjoy it, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.